I, I got some CFE pistol powder, and I was curious on how it looked under the microscope. So that is basically the area I want to look at. See, is they kind of, the powder itself is kind of round. Kind of look like power pistol powder. See if we can get over there. Look like little pebbles. Okay, there goes some good clusters there. This right here is at your 40 times magnification here. I'm going to take this up to 100. Let's see what this look like. Okay. That's nice. It's pretty. Let's take a look at that one. This one is kind of in the light source. It's nice. Get over here. This is one I want to take a look at. Let's take a closer look at that one. Oh, this one look even better. Let's take a closer look at that one. This is going up to 200 magnification here. Oh, yeah. I like the way that look already. Yeah. That's the first one. I'm curious now. Let's take this up to 400. Let's see what this look like. 400 is going to get it really, 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 really close. Okay. We're at 400. The camera, excuse me, the camera is also trying to focus in along with the microscope. That is nice. That is nice. Okay, so we can see what's going on with gunpowder. All right. Well, that is looking at power pistol. I mean, CFE pistol powder under the microscope. Thanks for watching.